Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into this video, no wasting time. I'm filling in my brows with the MAC brow pencil in Spiked. I really like this brow pencil because it's really light and it just gets the job done really nicely, and it also has a brush at the end. I'm cleaning up with this technique, light to medium concealer. You know, the usual thing we usually do to our brows to make them look like they are plucked when they are really not. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up, and yeah. You guys, I need you to look at this moment. Did you see that stroke? What? Look at it. What? What? One more time. What? Like, I did that. Even I was shook. I just didn't want to look it on camera, you know. I had to be fake humble, but I was shook at that stroke, guys. Anyway, I'm going out here to blend in the concealer because we do not want to have any halo brows, even though I don't mind them, to be honest, but yeah, I just don't want them. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Huda Beauty primer. I love this thing. Anytime I want to do like a full night out, I always use this. I'm also going in with my BECCA Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. Now you see these two things together. Okay. Okay, I put it on my eye, I put it everywhere. Normally I would use that on my T-zone, but I really wanted my whole face to just stay put. So I'm using the Cocoa Maybelline foundation right now. You guys, I feel like I'm talking too fast. I'm using the Maybelline foundation. I'm just applying that all over my face. It's in Cocoa, but I did make it darker with my foundation. I just cheated, but nothing too deep like that. So yeah, I'm just blending that in. And now this step here, okay, is new to me, but I really love it. So I'm just using this pad or sponge, and I just go over my whole foundation, over my whole face, and it clearly takes off the oils. Like, I do this before my concealer, and let me tell you guys, I see the difference every time when I don't do it. Like, can you see on the left side is before and on the right side is after, and this is without powder, guys. Like, this step, am I talking too much? No. Okay, so yeah, next up I'm going to be concealing my face. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in 35 Fit Me. I know it's too light, even for me. You guys know I love my highlights really light, but even for me this was too light. Okay, don't come for me. Okay, I still made it work. Okay, anyway, I'm using the L'Oreal concealer to just go on top of it so that it blends really well. I think that helped. But yeah, I'm using the same foundation I used for my brush. What? No, I'm using the same brush I used for my foundation, and I'm just going over my concealer just so it would just blend everything together. And I'm also doing this sponge thing. You see, this is one thing about me. When I know how to do something, I overdo it. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm just going to be setting my face with this Technique Loose powder and just making myself not crease. I go ham with my powder, you guys. If you want to last all night, just do this. Powder. Okay, no powder. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Okay. So I'm being very deliberate with this powder application. As you can see, I'm putting it where I know I might have crease lines. I'm also putting another layer underneath my eyes because I just don't want those lines cracking like beneath my eyes. I really hate that thing so much. But yeah, I'm just dusting off the excess powder and just, you know, trying to make it less. Not really dusting it off, but kind of rubbing it into the skin. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm also taking additional powder just all over my face just to bring it all together. Gonna snatch my nose with my MAC Studio Fix Plus. I've been using this for years, guys. Years. Nothing changes about my face routine. At this point, I didn't really want to do any eyeshadow. I just wanted a neutral look, so I decided to apply that contour to my eyes. I usually do this for when I don't want to do any eyeshadows. I just use my contour and I'm good to go. Anyway, I'm contouring the rest of my face with this Milani Baked Powder in Earth Glow. You guys know I love this. I really love it. It's just snatching my face, making me lose weight, and, you know, not having to starve myself. Like, whoa, I love makeup. I do. Yeah, so as usual, after every step, I go ahead to blend everything in using the only blush I literally reach out to Zaron blush. You guys know I don't really have style when it comes to blushes. I just do anything. I don't know what works, I don't know what doesn't work, I just do whatever. Anyway, I'm going to snatch my cheekbones some more because I really do want to lose camera weight. Okay guys, that's what's happening. So I don't know, for some reason something entered me and possessed me to put on eyeshadow. Like I just said I wasn't going to. Anyway, I put on eyeshadow. I use the Taos cosmetics and I just said, you know what, let me match my shirt. I like that burgundy. Okay, you know what, let me just add this gold. Nothing too serious. Like, I mean, that's all. I'm not trying to do anything too much, you know, I mean, but let me put this silver in my inner tear duct though. Like, that's going to bang. You know what, okay, let me stop being a naturalista. Let me just put some eyeliner, because like, how do we do a full look without eyeliner? Let me just do that. Okay, that's all. I promise that is all. Is that all? No. Put the eyeshadow down in your lower lash line. I mean, could that hurt? No. Put some more silver. That's what we're going for. What is a natural look? Excuse me. No. What? Are we done? I think so. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We are done. Right? Yeah, we are. Okay. Okay, I'm just blending out my face. I hope I'm done. I'm just blending out my face with my brush, and I'm not done. I'm not done. We are going in with some silver eyeliner. I mean, what could go wrong? What could go wrong? Anyway, I'm just putting some dots on my eyeliner. I just felt, I don't know, this look just carried me away. This wasn't the plan at all. Like, at all. Comment below if this ever happens to you guys. Like, I never planned it. You guys, wait, why can't I ever look sexy when I'm putting on mascara? Like, why? Like, if you look sexy when you're putting on mascara, I don't like you. Just so you know, okay? I do not like you. Anyway, I'm going in with my Fix Plus to take away the ashiness and the dryness from my face after so much powder. You just want everything to look glowy and dewy. Still going in with some eyeliner. I don't know, I just got too carried away with this look. You guys, please forgive me. This was not the intention. I promise you. This is exactly why I even did my face before my eyes, because I was like, there's no eye look, so you know, just do you. Anyway, I'm using the artist. Oh, you guys, look at the highlight. Yeah, the artist couture highlight in Conceited. You guys, I've loved this for, like, I just love it so much because a little goes a long way. Like, I'm not even tapping the brush. You guys won't believe it. You guys probably think I'm putting so much highlights. You think I'm putting the word on my face, but I'm just tapping, tapping the ass of this artist couture thing. It's not even so much, but it just does so good. I love highlighting. I do. Like, if I could, hey.
All the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwabona mo gbona feli. They mo gbona feli. You know get money, you take up police. Me I dey love you, Connie.
Sorry guys, I just had to remind you that I was a fine baby girl. Like, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm lining my lip with this black pencil. I like to do this when I use my foiled glosses because I feel like it just makes it bolder. So I'm just, you know, trying to blend it into my lip. I'm not just putting a line there so I don't look like some anti-type, you know, thing going on. Yeah, so I'm going over top with this mug MUG. What is Makeupgeek? Makeupgeek foil lip gloss in Mixtape. Like, someone would think I didn't prepare this video myself, you guys. Anyway, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me everywhere. You guys, follow me everywhere. I'll see you guys in my next video. No browse on flick, no mistering. No next week, no mistering. I'm chasing goony when I'm a code. Dem na gay, tomba me la pendi. I'm chasing goony when I'm a code. Dem na gay, tomba me la pendi. Oh, me tani camera for similar.
Magon lele, Magon don't touch Magon, Magon lele, Magon lele. Forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.